Hi, how are you? So today we will work out some problems which are actually practical problems, okay, using intersection and union. Before that, you please note down some properties of union and intersection, okay? Okay, here's some properties of union. A union B is equal to B union A. That means you know 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 under addition, or 2 into 3 equal to 3 into T. We can exchange their positions, is not it? So similarly, in case of union also we can exchange the sets, okay? Both the results are same, whether you operate union B or B union A, okay? This is first property, and this is associative law. Here what is done? Union of A and B done first, and then here B union C is done first, because whatever inside the bracket we do first, is not it? So, but the results are same. And here A union phi, union of phi is null set, and with phi, if you operate any set, then the result remains same. Then union between the same sets, the result is same. This is universal set, and their union is the universal set. Universal set is bigger than this one in size, right? So union of two sets gives always the bigger set, okay? Suppose this is a big set A, the another set is B, then union of these two always give the result A. In reality, you can think of India and Assam. The union of India and Assam, always India. So this is what you have to remember for working out our practical problems. Okay. Now next, some properties of intersection. Here we put the cap. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Is it right? Always it is right. Okay. This is commutative law. And in case of associative law, this is also okay. But what happened with this case? Is there any common elements in between these two? A intersection phi? No, that's why it is phi. Intersection between two sets which are exactly same. This is okay, fine. And then here, what will be the result of intersection between universal set and one of its subset? For example, you can think of India and Assam. What is the intersection part? Intersection part is Assam. That means here this smaller part, see, this is Assam, and suppose this is our universal set India. Then which part is common to both A and I, Assam and India? This is obviously. So in case of intersection, the smaller part is always the result. Okay. Here we get another important law that is given by De Morgan. So the name of the law is De Morgan's law. Now we will take the only statement of the De Morgan's law. Okay, this law is based on complement of a set. Let us consider two sets A and B whose union is, suppose A union B is this one, and its complement we need. Okay, then by De Morgan's law we get individual complement intersection B complement. This is first law, and the second one is A intersection B complement is equal to A dash union B dash, where A and B are any two sets, and A dash is this as complement, B dash is complement of B. So this is actually our De Morgan's laws. Okay, this is very important law. Okay, these properties you should remember. Okay, let's work out some problems which are related to the union and intersection. For that we need a formula. So you write A union B. Union N means number of elements in A union B. This can be written as NA, and B minus N A intersection B. You draw Venn diagram A and B. This is your common part, which is for A, intersection B. This is for A minus B. This is B minus A. This is the whole set A. Okay, this A and this is B. NA means this part, NB this one. Okay, their summation means A is added, this B is added, this is added 2 times, this common part. That's why it is once it is subtracted. Okay, and union is this whole. Using this formula we will solve some problem. Okay, for example, I am taking this question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Okay, for that let us consider, let 8 people who speak Hindi and E people who speak English. Therefore, NH, number of elements in H, the set H is, how many people speak Hindi? 250. You can write it is 250. N of E, people, number of elements, number of people who speaks English is equal to 200. Okay, and how many people can speak both Hindi and English? Hindi and English means we have to find an H intersection E, U. This is our common part. Okay, so for that we will use this formula, but what is their union H and E? This one, in a group of 400 people. In this context, here N H union E is equal to 400. Now write NH union E, that is equal to NH plus NE plus minus NH intersection E, which is equal to 400. Put plus NE minus NH intersection E is equal to 400. This is 250 plus NE 200 minus this is to be found out, so 400. Now it is 450 minus H intersection E is equal to 400. So transposing this part to right hand side, we will get plus N H intersection E, isn't it? Minus 400. This is here and this goes there. Now 50 is the intersection of H and E. What does it mean? This means 50 people speak both Hindi and